Welcome to this Angular PDF Viewer component tutorial. This component is a lightweight, modular viewer used for displaying and printing PDF files in web applications. It offers essential features such as zooming, scrolling, text search, text selection, and copying. In this video, I will show you how to get started with the Syncfusion Angular PDF Viewer component. You will learn how to create an Angular application, install the PDF Viewer package, and integrate the PDF Viewer component. Make sure you have installed the latest versions of Node.js and Angular. I will be using Visual Studio Code to create the application, and Microsoft Edge to view the output. Now, let me show you how to create an Angular application in Visual Studio Code. I open Visual Studio Code and install the Angular CLI using the command npm install -g @angular/CLI. Once the installation is complete, I create a new Angular application using the command ng new project name. During the setup, I choose CSS for the style sheet format and select No for server-side rendering. As I am not using any AI-related features in this project, I select None. After the setup is complete, the Angular project is created with all the required dependencies. I then navigate to the project folder using the command cd project name. To use the Angular PDF Viewer component in the application, I install the Syncfusion Angular PDF Viewer package using the command npm install @syncfusion /ej2-angular-pdf viewer --save. The application is ready to use. To register the trial license key to use the Syncfusion components, I open the main TS file and import the register license method from the Syncfusion EJ2 base package. Using this method, I register the trial license key. To see where to generate a license key, please refer to the link in the description below. Next, I open the styles CSS file and add the required Syncfusion styles using the Tailwind theme. You can also use other themes such as Material, Bootstrap, Fluent, and more. I open the app.ts file and remove the default template code. Then, I import the required module and services from the package. The PDF Viewer module is the main module that enables the component, and the additional services enable features such as zooming, navigation, text search, annotation, and printing. Next, I add the PDF Viewer module to the imports property. I also configure the provider's property with all the required services for PDF Viewer functionality. Then, I define the template property. In the template, I add the PDF Viewer, which displays documents in the browser. I set the document path property to specify the PDF file that needs to be loaded, and the resource URL property to point to the required Syncfusion resources for rendering the PDF. In the PDF Viewer, I configure properties such as the ID document path and resource URL. I also set the style, including height and display, to ensure the viewer is properly rendered on the page. Lastly, I save the changes and run the application using the command ngserve. As you can see, the PDF document is loaded successfully and displayed in the viewer along with the built-in toolbar. Next, let me show you some of the key features of the PDF Viewer. When I click the Add or Edit Annotations button, the secondary toolbar opens, providing various annotation options. It supports text markup annotations such as highlight, underline, strike through, and squiggly. It also supports shape annotations, including line, arrow, rectangle, circle, and polygon. For measurement and calibration purposes, it provides distance, perimeter, area, radius, and volume annotations. In addition, it supports free text, stamp, signature, and ink annotations. Let me show you how to create one of these annotations. To add a shape annotation, click the Add Shapes option on the Annotation toolbar. This opens a menu that displays these supported shapes. From the available options, select the rectangle shape and draw it on the content where I want to add the annotation. See, The rectangular annotation is successfully added to the PDF document. Next, I will show you how to fill forms in a PDF document. I open the form document using the Open File option in the toolbar. The PDF Viewer supports filling and modifying form fields in the document. Next, to create and design fillable PDF forms interactively using the toolbar, I click Edit Form Fields, which opens the Form Designer toolbar. The PDF Viewer supports various form fields, including text box, password, checkbox, radio button, drop-down, list box, and signature fields. To add a text form field to the PDF, click the text box icon and place it in the area where the form field is needed. Next, I add a radio button field. Similarly, you can add any of the available form fields from the toolbar. Here is the completed PDF with all the form fields added. Now, I will show you how to navigate pages using a different PDF document. The toolbar provides options to navigate through the document using the Show First Page, Show Previous Page, Show Next Page, and Show Last Page buttons. When I click the Show First Page button, the viewer navigates to the beginning of the document. The Show Next Page button navigates to the next page. The Show Previous Page button to the previous page, and the Show Last Page button to the final page of the document. The toolbar also includes a page number text box. When I enter a specific page number, the viewer navigates to the desired page. The PDF Viewer also supports bookmark navigation. When I click the Bookmarks button on the toolbar, a panel opens displaying the available bookmarks in the document. I select the bookmark I want, and it navigates to the corresponding location in the document. It also supports Table of Contents navigation. I click an item in the contents list, and it navigates directly to the associated section. In addition, the PDF Viewer provides page thumbnail navigation. When I click the Page Thumbnails button, a panel opens displaying thumbnail previews of the document pages. I select a thumbnail, and it navigates to the corresponding page. Lastly, let me perform a text search in the PDF Viewer. I click the Find Text button on the toolbar, enter the text that I want to search for. As you can see, all matching occurrences are highlighted in the document. The search feature also provides options to navigate to the next and previous search results. It also includes a match case option. When I enable the match case checkbox, the search results are limited to case-sensitive matches. The search feature also includes a Match Any Word option. When enabled, the search query is split into individual words. It displays the count of each word in the overlay. Select a word from the overlay, and all occurrences of that word throughout the document will be highlighted. That's all for this video. I have shown how to get started with the Syncfusion Angular PDF Viewer component. You can download this video's working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link where you can learn how to obtain a free license key for our PDF Viewer SDK if you are eligible for our community license. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.